In this video, we will cover how to switch rates on the Ag Leader PF3000. First, load the correct field. To do this, press the Field button, select the correct field. Once the correct field has been selected, press View Config. Select the correct configuration from your configurations list and press the Active On/Off button to make that configuration active. Once this has been done, press Exit, press Accept. Once the main screen has been loaded with the correct field and configuration, use the right and left directional arrows to switch between automatic, which would mean you are using a .tgt file, or manual for your rate. Press the up and down directional arrows to increase or decrease the manual rate to the desired amount. We have now covered how to switch rates on the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.